Welcome to Evolve, where healthy hair begins naturally. Please stop throwing away your hair care leftovers. Let me tell you, did you know that after you brew your favorite hair herbal tea spray or squeeze your fresh fruit for oil, you are tossing over half of the active nutrients straight into the garbage? Most people strain their liquids, look at the leftover sludge, and discard it without second thought. That is a massive mistake. Allow me today to pull back the curtain on exclusive zero waste beauty secret that turns your spent ingredient into very high performance. Deep conditioning scalp paste. We are rescuing the leftover sitting right here in my fridge. The potent pulp from my eucalyptus oil extraction mixed with the incredible dregs of my daily hair growth tea. Spent rosemary, cloves, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek leaves, ajoin seeds, crushed mahdu coriander seeds, and the rich leftover avocado pulp from our last extraction. Also watch closely because I'm going to show you how to blend these cold, concentrated botanical fibers into an intensive growth mask that wakes up dormant hair follicles. Stay until the end because this zero waste tricky will double the value of very single ingredient. Just in your kitchen. Hello my gorgeous, welcome back here, your exclusive digital sanctuary where we reject the synthetic fillers and transform raw natural ingredients into raw beauty features. If you truly love sustainable hair care, zero waste remedies, and unlocking the true power of botanical ingredients, hit the subscribe and join our community right now. Let's head over to the counter and rescue these powerhouse ingredients from the fridge. Before we blend, let's talk about the incredible chemistry left behind these fibers. When you boil or steep these, you only extract the water-soluble elements. The heavy, oil-soluble nutrients are still trapped right here inside the plant cell walls. By letting them rest in the fridge, we've preserved them perfectly. Let's look at the roles they play for your hair growth journey. Rosemary contains carnosic acid, which actively repairs tissue damage and stimulates nerve ending in the scalp to trigger massive hair growth. So we are going to use it. Here we go with the cloves, are packed with the eugenol. These act as a heavy anti-inflammatory agent, boosting blood flow to feed weak follicles and stop rapid shedding. Fennel seeds provide a high dose of antioxidants and iron, which hardens the hair roots and fights off premature thinning. And the fenugreek seed and leaves, they are loaded with lecithin and nicotinic acid. They act as natural building block, strengthening brittle strands and giving your hair incredible sleep. Eucalyptus leftover. These leaf fiber retain micro traces of eucalyptus, intensely stimulating blood circulation to the scalp, and was mixed with the extra virgin coconut oil, so it's going to work perfectly. Now, these ajoin and mahdu coriander seed contain thymol, a natural antiseptic that purifies the scalp and it clears dandruff instantly. While coriander seeds provide essential lipids to anchor the hair roots. Finally, our secret weapon today, the leftover avocado pulp. Even after squeezing out the oil, this pulp remains rich in intensive moisturizing lipids, oleic acid, and potassium. It acts as a perfect creamy, deep conditioning base for our mask, replacing the need for any yogurt or chemical creams. Let's unlock them. Now, I'm dropping all my cold leftovers, herbs, and that rich avocado pulp as well straight into my blender base. Because this has been resting in the refrigerator, the fibers are nice and soft, making them incredibly easy to break down. So let me add activating liquid. Today I'm going to use warm water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to balance our scalp pH. My darlings, don't ever dilute it. We are not making watery tea today. The avocado pulp is going to bind everything together into a dense, luxurious cream. So your hair is going to feel a bit not relaxed, but not too dry and massive. So secure the lid and blend on high speed. We want to whip this until it turns into completely smooth satin green herbal paste. You have to break down every single seed and the leaf fiber. Ensure that when you apply it, your scalp can instantly drink it up the remaining nutrients without any chunks getting stuck in your hair strand. Alright, our mask is almost ready, so we are going to pour in our bottle. So you can pour whatever you have, but we are going to put in a place where it will be easy for me to take that mask to apply to my hair. So see how I look like. That is the pure gold and that is the tea, I can tell. So clock it, just try it. For the application strategy, you have to dip your fingertips into this rich cooling paste and apply it directly along your parting lines, rubbing it gently right into the skin of your scalp. The aromatic from the eucalyptus and adjoyant seed will give you a beautiful, refreshing, tingling sensation. That tingle means blood flow is rushing to your hair follicles to trigger explosive growth. So your hair is going to be massive. So for the people who had a problem of their hair, like which every single week hair is thinning, try this, you will tell me. Well, that tingle means blood flow is rushing to your hair follicles. Once your entire scalp is covered, work whatever is left through the length of your hair to let the fenugreek protein and avocado lipids soften your ends. Me and my daughter, we are battling with the stagnant hair growth, and I'm too embarrassed with the dandruff flakes, sometimes shedding, or brittle strand that snap off every time I'm brushing my hair and of my daughter. That is all in one botanical mask. Your ultimate kitchen remedies, try it and you will see the result very soon. Doesn't take long. For the best results, always apply this mask to clean damp hair, because dampness opens up your scalp pores, allowing the stimulated circulation from the eucalyptus and the drying to work immediately. I'm covering my hair mask by putting a shower cap, or you can use a plastic wrap to trap your scalp's natural body heat. This heat reactivates the essential oils inside the eucalyptus and the coriander fibers, while helping the avocado fats penetrate the hair shaft. Leave this mask on for exactly 20 to 30 minutes. Don't let it dry completely. Rock hard on your head, or the clay-like consistency of the herbalist will be difficult to wash out. So when your timer goes off, when 30 minutes is ended, hop into the shower and rinse thoroughly with the warm water. First, also massage your scalp in cycle under the running water to let the fiber fine naturally exfoliate away dead skin cells and the product build up. Follow up with a favorite gentle shampoo and hydrating conditioner on your ends. Today we did a recap to both my hair and my daughter's. So my darling, if this video brought you value, smash that like button. subscribe here and share it with a friend. Thank you for creating with me today. Keep your beauty authentic and keep it zero waste. As well, I will see you in the next breakdown. Love you. Bye.